And I got a feeling on my body, and she tryna fuck till the morning, and she drinking nothing but Bacardi. Yeah, yeah, my cup be hella muddy.
Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a YouTube video. As you read by the title, you already know that today's video is a hair collab. I collabed with Celie hair. They sent me a wig. What the box looks like. They also sent me this. Inside of here you get some accessories such as a scarf with their name on it. Satin scarf. You get a pair of eyelashes. You get a wig cap that has 2 inside. You also get a satin bonnet. I love these bonnets, like, stop playing. And you also get a card with their name, coupons, and social medias on it. The wig is 22 inches. It is body wave and it is a 13x4 lace front wig. It comes labeled. This is the wig. This is the hair. Period. This is the lace. This is how the lace looks. It already has some baby hairs. It already complete plucked, but I most likely bleach it anyways. It has combs and the inside, you know, the adjustable straps to make it tighter, looser, whichever one you prefer. And yeah, this is how the sides look. I have to install this and I will come back to y'all.
Jordan, you're so cute.
So this is the final look. This is the final install. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video. I would recommend this hair. I'm not gonna lie, it is some good hair. I just feel like you would have to hot comb it flat down. But yeah, if y'all like this, go shop with Celie hair. They link and everything that you need to know about this hair, this exact wig, will be in the description box. Also, you can use the discount code for Black Friday and get you some % off. The hair is 22 inches. It came body wave, but I strained it. I probably would curl it tomorrow, but by me washing it, it kind of like dropped the body wave. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed this and if y'all like this hair, go shop with them. Go get you a wig, sis, period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, and I will see y'all in my next video, period.
And I got a feeling on my body, and she tryna fuck till the morning, and she drinking nothing but Bacardi. Yeah, yeah, my cup be hella muddy.